Did you know what really happens when you sneeze? A sneeze can reach speeds of up to 100 miles per hour. Germs can travel several meters through the air. One sneeze can release up to 100,000 droplets. These droplets are so tiny, they can float in the air for minutes. That's why illnesses spread so easily through sneezing. Your nose sneezes to clear out dust and allergens. Fun fact, your body can sneeze even while asleep. People always sneeze with their eyes closed. Animals sneeze too, like cats and dogs. The loudest sneeze ever recorded was over 110 decibels. So cover your mouth and nose. It protects others. So I wish you all good health. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to the channel.